This fitment video is brought to you by Ryco TV. In this episode, we're installing an RCA100C cabin air filter in a Ford Falcon FG Mark II. First, open the glove box. With a flathead screwdriver, locate and remove the retainer clip that holds the glove box in place. Then, at the back, push and slide the leaf tray to the left and then remove it from the compartment. You can see that the tray has caught some leaves, but without real filtration, it's not good for much else. Now take your filter RCA100C and place it firmly into the compartment. Make sure that it is nice and snug and that the pull tag is at the top, near the yellow dot. Next, take the faceplate that is included in the RCA100C kit, press it into place and slide it to the right. We're almost done. Now just refit the glove box back into position with the retainer clip and you're good to go. Brought to you by Ryco TV.